Hey guys, what's going on? John here. I've got another unboxing for you. This time it's the new wired Apple keyboard. I'm going to try doing the unboxing here with the iSight, see how it works out. So give me your feedback on that. Pretty slim box, keyboard, inside, some text, little Apple logo right there. Nothing too exciting. I don't know if anybody's interested in seeing an unboxing of a keyboard, but heck, I would have watched it if it was out there, so maybe you will too. I'll do a review for you guys. Also, after I use it, see if it's worthwhile, if the new style works or doesn't work. Anyway, I got a keyboard because I picked up a external monitor, so I could use dual screens, and it's much easier to have a keyboard. So, here it is. Box is open. Let's open her up. That's pretty much it. Keyboard's just sitting inside. So let me take it out for you. And like I said, it's the wired version. Alright, here's the keyboard. I mean, look how thin that is. I mean, thing is tiny. I'll give you guys a frame of reference maybe for the size of it. See if I can find something for you. There you go. Here's a AT&T SIM card, real small. So take a look here. I mean, thing is tiny. I think it's nothing. Anyway, the wired one does have the number pad here and some bigger keys. It's upside down. Anyway, guys, this is the keyboard. All angles of it. One USB port there, another USB port there, and that's it. Anyway, like I said, I'll use it. Let you guys know what I think. Thanks for subscribing. Leave some comments. Have an overall nice day. Later, guys.